countries of Africa have little care. But in Zanzibar, the story of may be different because members of business community have joined to hug and entertain the children, including having feasts together.
Salum katika nyumba ya foto ya Mazizini. Faidika sana kuja hapa kuona wenzangu, furahi. Saleh, nakuja kufutari hapa.
Ensuring that the government and private sector partnership care for orphans. The minister responsible for children, Ms. Asha Belajuma, was at the fest organized for the orphans from rural areas.
We are attending an iftar organized by Zain together with Chuchu FM, especially for the orphan of Zanzibar. This is a yearly event, and we appreciate the good services rendered by both the management of Chuchu FM and Zain. We normally conduct this kind of things because during Ramadan we believe that offering pleasant food for those disadvantaged is a great thing, and we've been asked by our holy books in the Holy Quran that we should share the good things that we have put together. And especially for this month, this is what we do, and we encourage others to do something similar like this one.
Normally during Ramadan, family, children and different kinds of people enjoy meat together. Ramadan is the holy month when Muslims are required to fast from dawn to sunset.
Zakia Mohamed, nakaa na watoto yatima Mazizini. Ni walezi katika watoto yatima. Na tumeitwa hapa kuja kufutarisha, tumefarajika sana kwa sababu hata watoto watakuwa hawajisikii kama wao ni yatima. Wao watakuwa wanajisikia katika watu waliokuwa katika familia.
They have been called to all ages, people and instructions to care for the orphans so that they enjoy life. Zanzibar has more than 200 orphans who include victims of HIV/AIDS. Reporting from Zanzibar, Salma Said, Voices of Africa.